Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're seeing a Buffer API error or one of Buffer's features has stopped working because of an API issue, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Buffer API errors in 2026 using your Windows PC or Mac. Let's go through the solution step by step. First, sign in to your Buffer account and carefully read the API error message. The exact message can help identify whether the problem is related to your account, a connected social media platform, or a temporary service issue. Next, refresh the Buffer dashboard and try the action again. Temporary API communication problems are often resolved with a simple refresh. Now, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network can interrupt communication between Buffer and external services, resulting in API errors. If the API error appears while connecting or publishing to a social media account, verify that the account is still connected. If it has become disconnected, remove it from Buffer and reconnect it by completing the authorization process again. You should also confirm that you still have permission to manage the connected account. If your admin access has been removed from a Facebook page, LinkedIn company page, YouTube channel, or another platform, Buffer may not be able to complete API requests. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies, restart your browser, and sign back into Buffer. Corrupted browser data can sometimes interfere with API communication. If the issue continues, try another browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox.